a question arises, do we really need the Supreme Court?
Do we?
Do we? I don't think we need the Supreme Court. It is doubtful in the near future whether the Supreme Court will have the guts to invalidate the election of president, because it has been emasculated, it's been captured, it is corrupt, it is incompetent. And the unfortunate thing is many of them are bound to be with us for another 5 or 10 years. You understand?
Those are gross allegations, Counsel Havi.
Yes, substantiated.
Yeah.
We've taken them to the Judicial Service Commission. They've been unable to meet us before the Judicial Service Commission. They have gone to the High Court and hidden. You can imagine judges of the Supreme Court, including the Chief Justice, being in office courtesy of an order of a High Court judge, and turning logic over its head. Ayub, the same Chief Justice who has gone to the High Court, has applied to one High Court judge, asking the High Court judge to bring the file to her so that she can constitute a bench of 3 judges. Then the High Court judge sends the file to the Chief Justice. Then the Chief Justice picks 3 judges of her choice to hear her case. You see, this is how I paint the grim picture of why we don't need the Supreme Court. You understand? The intention was good to have a Supreme Court. A Supreme Court can only be as good as the Chief Justice. The Supreme Court under William Mutunga was excellent. The Supreme Court under David Maraga was fantastic. The Supreme Court under Martha Koome is a monumental disappointment. And bearing in mind the need for us to implement the Constitution, the hold of the office of Chief Justice, head of the judiciary, is very important. And on this day, as we celebrate Katiba, I still reiterate that we need Chief Justice Martha Koome out of office so that we can reform the Judicial Service Commission. Remember, they had to bring in foreign judges so that we vet judges and magistrates. 15 years, we are back where we were before.
Okay.
Corruption, incompetence, and impunity all over.
Same as the Justice